Greetings and welcome to PinballHelp. Mike here. Today I am at the Houston Arcade Expo, and usually I do a walkthrough of the event when it's just completely happening. This time I'm going to do a walkthrough before the event is set up. Hey, I'm doing good. I'm just doing a little quick walkthrough of the show. I'll come chat with y'all later, though.
Yeah, sure.
So this is before the show is actually officially open, and I think it's kind of important to show how much work goes into producing these events. You don't often see all of the people setting everything up before it starts. So this year the venue is much larger. It's a new, cooler location. So let's just go take a peek in and see things before they're actually ready for the public, as everybody gets everything set up. It's like lots of bees buzzing around, trying to get everything in order. And then also the lights are all up, so you can kind of see more clearly. You'll see how long my battery lasts in my camera because it's been malfunctioning. Stage is going up. Everybody testing the machines. Little polishing going on over there. There's Keith, the organizer.
Okay. All right. Yeah, no worries.
It's nice in here. Does it smell like sweat? So they're waiting to get power hooked up to some of the machines. Lots of interesting and new exhibits. Big stage area, tournament area. Let's take a peek at what the tournament games are. Hollywood, No Fear, Total Nuclear Annihilation, Genie, Dragon Fist, Iron Maiden. Lancers, that's one I haven't seen before. So kind of everybody's just feverishly working to get all of the games ready for the tournament. C-Ray, Funhouse, Judge Dredd, Flash Gordon, Walking Dead, Hot Doggin'. There's one you don't see very often. Medieval, that's one of the new Medieval Madnesses, and I see a Catacombs, Getaway, and Stars. Should be an interesting tournament, and I'm sure this is not the only games. This is just what's here right now. They're kind of just getting everything going. Look at all the retro games. Everybody's getting everything set up and unpacked. Pretty soon, in a couple of hours, this place is just going to be packed full of people. So this is the calm before the storm, getting everything working. Even virtual reality here. So I'm going to get out of people's way. There's games being revealed all over the place. But you can see a tremendous amount of work goes into producing these events. So it really helps when people come out and show up. And then a whole nother room full of more stuff. the vintage computers. A wooden Tyrannosaurus Rex. And this doesn't look like it was CNC'd. It looks like it was hand cut. Pretty cool. So this is just a quick little walkthrough. I wanted to do one before the event opens so you get a little bit of an idea behind the scenes. So for more, visit pinballhelp.com. And thank you guys for watching.